Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we will learn how to use select case in VBA and its alternative using if ElseIf to change results based on a drop down. Here is our sheet and revenue for 2023 in column B, revenue for 2024 in column C, and the drop down in A13. Let's write our code. Insert a new module and start with a new procedure. Sub select case total, hit enter. We'll use select case, range, bracket as our drop down in A13. So in double quote A13 close bracket dot value. If the user select total, the code will sum each column. If they pick average, it will calculate average. So let's take first case, total. Case in double quote total. Make sure that the case what we are writing total, it should be exact same what we have mentioned in drop down. Enter range bracket in double quote B13 close bracket dot value equal worksheet function dot sum bracket range as our range for 2023 in column B and range is B3 to B11 in double quote B3 to B11 close the bracket, hit enter. Let's copy the same formula and just will change cell reference for 2024 revenue. Copy, paste. So we'll change B to C, C3 to B, C11. Now we'll run the code for first case, but before that we'll write a message box and we will end select. To do that we'll use case else, enter message box in double quote no matching case found, no matching case found, comma VB exclamation. Enter, end select. Now let's run for first case, working fine. Now let's copy the same code for each case and only will change case condition, like will remove total to average and max and minimum. Now here is the final code and I have assigned this to a button and let's run by pressing the button. If you found this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook page. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.